Hey everybody, I am here to do a product review on a skincare product. This is a product that's been around for a while and I just recently started using it and I love it, love it. This is the Anew Clinical Eye Lift. You can see that. This is the box. This is the container. So it's just a jar here, very nice jar, but it's an anti-aging product. And you know, we all reach an age that we start to realize that we're starting to look a little older and we want to slow down that aging process, right? And we want to age gracefully. So this product, it is very special. And it works. You see results like in 7 days. Some people, it's been less than 7 days, but around 7 days, you will see a change. You will see differences. And what makes this special, and I'm going to open this up, is that it has a cream for the bottom and a gel for the top. Yeah. So let's open this up. And it has a top here. So you just pull that little tab. Ooh. So you got the lid here and you got the product here. So when you look at this, the way to tell what goes where is if you turn it this way, it's kind of the shape of an eye. You know, so you got the eye portion here, and then you got your top of your eyelid there. So this cream is going to go along the bottom, and you're going to use your ring finger. And why do you use your ring finger? Because it's the finger with the least amount of pressure, okay? So you're going to dip your finger in there, and you're going to go below your eye here, and even down on the upper part of your cheekbone, all the way to the side. And then the gel you're going to put on the top. And that's it. You know, but if you have fluid buildup in your eyes, you know, like me in the morning, you don't want to see me in the morning. You know, I have fluid retention, and you know, before I started using this product, you know, I had really bad lines. I just didn't realize it. You know, I'm going into my late 50s, so the lines are present. And I started using this product because I wanted to reduce those lines, kind of fill them in and have my skin look a little younger. And it works. I noticed a difference in a week. So it's a very affordable product. It's incredible. And you want to try it. So this is the Avon Anew Clinical Eye Lift. Okay, so give me a message, all right, and I'll get a jar over to you. So you want to try this out, all right? Talk to you later. Bye.